Hey YouTube, Ray here, and I'm back with a quick look at these Aimus USB charging cables for the iPhone, anything that uses a lightning port. They were gracious enough to send these over, and I just took a quick look at them, and I just really love the industrial design, so I really wanted to showcase them in a quick video. So you can see here that this pack actually comes with 3 different cables. One here is a lot shorter than your typical cable. This just is to provide an easier connection to, let's say, a power bank, something that you're keeping close to your iPhone. You don't want to manage the cable too much, so you can have this shorter length. The medium length one here is actually 4 feet long, which is still a pretty long cable, but always helpful to have for a mid-range kind of span of area where you need to have the longer cable. But this last one here is actually 6 feet long, which again is awesome if you're in bed and your outlet's quite far from you and you need a cable to reach you. I myself have that same problem, so I'm super grateful to have one of these longer cables. They also come with these cool Velcro ties to kind of help you manage the cable if you don't need it to be so long. And what I really liked about these again was just the industrial design. So the cable itself is just so thin, and it's in this rubberized material casing, which just speaks quality. I mean, I'm bending this over and over, and I don't know, when I was playing around with them, I just really enjoyed the quality. Most iPhone cables tend to break so easily, especially from these connection points, and these ones definitely don't seem to be falling into that category. Also, just a sleek design. The ends are metal, which is awesome. I love build quality and higher quality materials. There's also no plastic casing around this, so this can sleekly just go right into your USB port. Especially if you have a thinner laptop, you're not going to have that bulky kind of USB going in, or it's not going to take up too much space. The lightning port side actually also has a LED indicator light here, which is always helpful to have in case of, so you know that your phone is charging and the cable is plugged in properly. And it's just a little easier to find at night too if it's dark and you're trying to find where your cable is or where your phone is. So that's always cool. So again, I just really wanted to make a quick video to showcase these cables. If you want to check them out more, there's a link in the description below, which will take you to Amazon, where they're being sold for $14 for all 3 cables, which is, I mean, so much better than what Apple prices them at. And they're just the build quality is great. You get these different lengths, which is always helpful to have, and you can actually get 20% off if you use the code that I provided in the description below as well too. So.